Welcome back to our 5th standard science online class, my dear students. In the previous class, we completed first aid for cuts and scratches, first aid for fractures, and first aid for burns. Today, in this session, we are going to learn about first aid for nosebleeds, first aid for sprains, and first aid for animal bites. Now, let us learn first aid for nosebleeds. What do you mean by the term nosebleed? Do you know? Look at the picture. What do you mean by the term nosebleeds? Nosebleed is a bleeding from the nose is called nosebleed. What is nosebleed? Bleeding from the nose is called nosebleed. Nosebleeds are very common and sometimes can stop on their own. Now, let us learn first aid tips for nosebleeds one by one. First, make the person sit up with his head tilted upwards. First aid tips for nosebleeders. First, the affected person sit up with his head tilted upwards. Next, hold and pinch the soft portion of the nose. Pinch means press. Press the soft portion of the nose carefully for at least 5 minutes to stop bleeding. Understand? Next, let us learn first aid tips for sprains. First, what do you mean by the term sprain? Do you know? A sprain is a tearing of ligaments is called sprain. What do you mean by the term sprain? A sprain is a tearing of ligaments is called sprain. Look at the picture. A sprain generally occurs around wrist and ankles when they are suddenly twisted. Where does it occur? A sprain generally occurs around wrist and ankle when they are suddenly twisted. Sometimes the joint swells up and may also form a bruise. What do you mean by the term bruise? A bruise is a blue, brown or purple mark that appears on the skin after somebody has fallen. Is a bruise. What's the meaning of the term bruise? A bruise is a blue, brown or purple mark that appears on the skin after somebody has fallen. Look at the picture. Next, let us learn first aid tips for sprains. First, in such cases, make the person sit in a comfortable position and apply an ice pack to the affected area. First, make the person sit in a comfortable position and apply an ice pack to the affected area. However, do not apply the ice directly. Then carefully bandage the swollen area means affected area to limit movement. Next tips, the person should be made to rest, keeping the sprained area above the position of the heart while lying down. Understand? Next, let us learn first aid for animal bites. How animal bites are caused. Animal bites are commonly caused by pets such as cats and dogs. Which disease is caused by animal bites? Rabies is a disease caused by animal bites. The risk of rabies is high if bitten by stray animals. What's the meaning of the term stray animals? Stray animals means homeless animals. Next, what kind of first aid should be given? In case of an animal bite, first you wash the wound with running water. Running water means flowing water, and cover it with a clean bandage. First you wash the wound or the affected area with running water and cover it with a clean bandage. Then take the person to the doctor immediately. Next, let us learn first aid tips for insect bites. Two insects are given. Look at the picture. First one is a bee, second one is a wasp. For bee stings, what kind of first aid should be given? First, you apply a paste of baking soda or toothpaste to the affected area. Next, for wasp stings, what kind of first aid should be given? First, apply vinegar or lemon juice to the affected area. Next, let us learn first aid tips for snake bites. Look at the picture. Snake bites can be very deadly if not treated properly. It is very important to calm the person down. Next, the following are the first aid tips for snake bites. Let us learn one by one. First, do not allow any movement of the affected person. First, do not allow any movement of the bitten arm or leg in order to keep the venom from spreading through the body. Why the affected person do not move? Because the venom spreading through the body. So, the affected person do not allow to move. Next, position the victim such that the bite lies below the level of the heart. What's the meaning of the term victim? Victim means sufferer. Next, third step, clean the wound with water. First, clean the wound with running water or flowing water, but do not flush. Then cover it with a clean, dry dressings. Next, do not apply ice or try to cut the wound to take out venom. What's the meaning of the term venom? Venom is a poisonous fluid. Then take the victim to the hospital immediately. Victim means sufferer. Then the sufferer to the hospital immediately. These are the first aid tips for snake bites. Dear students, today in this session we completed first aid tips for nosebleeds, first aid tips for sprains, first aid tips for animal bites. Dear students, write down the homework. Read page number 40 and 41 in your science book. Thank you, dears.